Today on Vlog City, we're talking about top mods that will increase your horsepower, give you more clout, or make your car just look that much more awesome. Let's get started. The first one is the obvious one. Whether you're a racer, a tuner, a track goer, or a drifter, everybody agrees that stickers add horsepower. How much per one? It varies. Some add 100, some add 1, some add 5, some add 5,000. It really depends. But rest assured, it'll make sure everybody thinks that your Ken blog getting sponsored by Monster, and it will add horsepower. Next, racing stripes. Racing is fast. Racing stripes on your car makes it go faster. Enough said. And of course, what car build will be complete without underglow? They have it on Fast and Furious, your cousin has it on his Chevy Silverado, and of course, you should put it on your Toyota Camry. What are the benefits of underglow, you may ask? Well, it lets the competition know what's coming. What is coming? Competition. Is it good competition? Well, that's up to how many stickers you've already put on your car, as previously mentioned. Next, exhaust. Now, no, don't go off and get a good exhaust, making sure that there's correct back pressure on your engine. No. We're talking about taking the exhaust off. We're talking about punching a hole in that bad boy, because we're just here for the loud boom cows that it makes. And we all know that if your car sounds louder, it's gonna be louder. Faster. It's gonna be faster. And of course, if it isn't, it's gonna scare off all the competition and gonna make everybody think that you're fast. So win-win. Next is a steering wheel cover. You wanna feel like you're driving around your 50 horsepower car with a 22 rifle barrel that's been turned into a wheel? No, you wanna feel like you're driving a full-blown power bazooka. So, what's the obvious thing to do? Is it to get a new steering wheel? Heck no, that's too expensive. And besides, it takes way too long. It's like 15 minutes to install. So, obvious choice, steering wheel cover. You can drive around and let everybody know when they get in your car that they're in a Honda or a Ford or a Chevy. This one goes out to you, Toyota drivers. Everybody else, this does not work. Only Toyota drivers, specifically Camrys, get a Toyota banner for your windshield. This is going to add 200 horsepower to your vehicle, and it's going to let people know that you are driving the vehicle that made the Supra, and that you don't have enough money to buy it. So this is what you got. You need a family car, and you have like 5 kids, maybe 2. I don't think 5 could fit in a Camry. We all know that race car drivers don't use airbags. We die as real men. But as I mentioned before, you can't get a racing steering wheel, so therefore the airbag's still there. Disconnect it? No. Make that fall into a claymore. Get into a wreck, we're making sure we're dead. Number whatever we're on now. Colored wiper blades. Okay, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat this. This is like a really ugly chick using way too much eyeshadow. You're not helping it yourself at all. It's honestly making it worse. So just cut it. Go back to stock. Don't color them. Don't get weird transformer looking things. We're moving on. Ugh. Next is flames. What do fast cars make? Flames. What's on the outside of your car? Everywhere? Flames. What does that mean? Your car is 15 times more fast. Flames! Okay, the next one that I can't even joke about is the front bumper covers. Your car can't get diseases. Why are you giving it a mask? I'm genuinely confused. Oh, it's here to protect it from rock chips. Yeah, Greg. And guess what? The sun's still beating down on it. You're gonna have a 2-tone car. And bonus, everybody thinks your car is butt ugly now. It's more ugly than Kim Kardashian. There, I said it. So your car's pretty modded out by now. You're dusting everybody with your flames, your underglow, your stickers. So of course you wanna see the Lamborghini driver crying behind you. Are you gonna turn your neck? Oh, no, Oh, that could cause an injury. No, you want a giant rear view mirror. I want to look behind me in the mirror and see where I'm going ahead. So that's it. Your car's making 5,000 horsepower. This quarantine made your car amazing. And you have me to thank. So, throw in them likes. Drop a comment down on what you're doing to your car to make it get to 10,000. And I'll see you here on the next video. Okay guys, for real though, thank you so much for watching. Click over here to subscribe. Click here and here to watch more videos. We have Cycling Sunday on Sunday. We have a Miata or car video every Tuesday. And tomorrow, which I don't know if that's tomorrow for you, but every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, we have a live stream with all the fans. But guys, until then, stay fresh, stay fly, go eat some apple pie. Whoop out! Oh, that was a little too far.